Hello and welcome to Pollinations.ai. The model that we're going to be looking at today is Disco Diffusion, and all of the inputs that we have below are inputs that we'll go ahead and review real quick so that you can go ahead and generate your own images. So with this, the text input, we can go ahead and put in various information. There are also parts of prompts that you can put in for different types of resolution. Even all the way up to what is trending on a particular website or a particular artist. So we're going to go ahead and put in a colorful galaxy, do 8K resolution, and then trending on ArtStation. The number of diffusion steps that you have here is the number of iterations that this entire process will run through. Normally I'll end up doing about 1,000. Animation mode for this, you can choose to either have none or you can choose a 3D animation. Just keep in mind that if you do use animation, definitely go with a lower diffusion step limit, because the higher it is, the longer it definitely will take. Past that, we have the frame count. The frame count is the number of video frames to generate. You can do anything from 50 all the way up to 100 and beyond. Next two fields are going to be your width and your height. You can set these to any particular limits that you want. So if you want a widescreen type layout, you can do the 1280 by 720, which is the auto default. Or if you want more of a square look, you can do 720 by 720. Then the next one is going to be the cut IC POW, which is going to be the inner cut border size. So any higher value is going to provide more detail instead of providing more coherence to what your actual prompt is. So the higher the number, again, the more detail. Lower number, you can go ahead and have a little less detail with that. So then past that, we have the clip guidance scale. The clip guidance scale is how strong you want the prompt to be guided with. So our current default value is 25,000. You can adjust or alter this to be either higher or lower than that amount. And our last one is to post to Pollination social media feeds. So we have Twitter, we have Facebook, we have Instagram and Telegram, and also YouTube. The social media feeds you will see will end up posting up on Twitter and also Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to go ahead and hit no for this one. But then at that point, once you have your GPU loaded, go ahead and hit submit. And that is all for the Disco Diffusion.